All right, today this is a cutter for your edges. This works on any sizes. If you guys can see that, this is a large one. So input, you got blades inside. Output, you got the actual blades for the inside. So this is a small little pipe I just cut right now. So I'm gonna clean it up as much as I can. And this is the way you do it. This is copper, so it's gonna be easier, right? You guys can see it. So I cleaned it up really good. I even got pieces of it. So once you clean it, I always clean my pipes when I weld this way, and then the internal will be for the outside, but we're not going to use that right now. We're just concentrate on this part right here. So that's clean enough. If you guys can see that, look at that. You can see the fine edges that it did it right there. All right, we're going to put this on the side. All right, this also works for PVC piping. All right, so this is a shorter one. Look at this. I'm going to cut a little bit more so you guys can see how well it works. Look at that. See? Then you sand it down, of course, but just trying to show you guys how it works from the inside. We're doing the inside of the piping, if you guys can see that, and then you also can do the outside of the piping. All right, this actually you're gonna see some results right now when you do this. Nice clean pipe. You can keep doing it, just keep it straight. I'm doing it wrong, a little bit wrong. And of course you have your Allen wrench here that you can replace the blades, all right, in the future, or you can take them off so you can actually sharpen them up. All right, and that's pretty much it. Clean up the lip. Look at that. So twist it, simple from the inside outside. So you're gonna look for something like this, and you need it for projects, heavy duty. Hope you guys enjoy the video.